As you make the transition to a ketogenic diet, you'll want to understand the information that's presented on nutrition labels, so you can stay within your macros and avoid foods that could interfere with your progress. In this video, we use an example of a generic keto-friendly product to explain the most important nutrition facts. First, take a look at the serving size. All serving sizes consist of two parts, the amount and the unit. Sometimes the serving size is converted into a second measurement, such as grams. The number of servings tells you how many portions are in the entire package. Calories are a measurement of energy in food. For this packaged food, we can see that you will take in 70 calories per 3 cookie serving. As you tally up the calories, it's helpful to know that for any food, 1 gram of protein equals 4 calories, 1 gram of carbohydrate also equals 4 calories, but 1 gram of fat equals 9 calories. In other words, fat gives you more energy per gram than carbs. Next, we'll take a look at the macronutrients in this food: fat, carbs, and protein. Don't bother with calculating percentages and ratios for each food you eat. We're going to look instead at the absolute values in grams. For each 3 cookie serving, you will take in 5 grams of fat. Of that amount, 1.5 grams will be in the form of saturated fat. Carbohydrates come in 3 forms: sugar, starch, and fiber. Starch is not listed separately on food labels, but it is included in the total carbs, and for keto, it has a similar effect to sugar. Sugar will have its own row below total carbohydrate, sometimes with added sugars called out as well. The body does not digest fiber, so we can remove that from the tally of carbs for the day. Most ketogenic diets subtract sugar alcohols from total carbs to get net carbs. Some alternative sweeteners, such as allulose and glycerin, are not required to be listed in the nutrition facts. These may be noted elsewhere on the package and can be subtracted from the total carbs on the label. So to summarize, the formula for calculating net carbs is total carbs minus fiber minus sugar alcohol minus allulose equals net carbs. Take a look at the third macro, protein, and you will see that this food provides just 1 gram of protein per 3 cookie serving. Not a great option to reach your protein target for the day. However, each gram of protein contained in foods you eat counts towards your target for the day. Remember, the goal is to meet or slightly exceed your target so that you maintain existing muscle mass. A keto-friendly food label would group the 3 main electrolytes together. However, since sodium has been considered a nutrient to be limited, it appears in the main section of the label after cholesterol and before carbs. If a food contains potassium and/or magnesium, the amounts will be listed in the micronutrients section below protein. Once you've reviewed the table of nutrients, it's important to scan the ingredients list for chemicals, additives, and fillers you want to avoid. Here is an abbreviated list of what to watch out for. Sugar and all its variants. There are more than 50. Sugar alcohol. Artificial flavors, colors, and sweeteners. Preservatives, added to prevent spoilage and oxidation. Emulsifiers that thicken and prevent separation. Seed oils that are inexpensive but inflammatory compared to animal-based fats and olive/avocado oils. Added fiber that's included to offset carbs. Finally, if you have food sensitivities, you'll want to take note of the allergen statement, usually included at the end of the ingredients list. On the front of the package, you may see claims like no sugar added or keto approved. This is only marketing language and there is no regulation of these kinds of statements. For more on these tricks, see our recent newsletter article, Food Label Shenanigans, at fixafood.substack.com. Read the details carefully or let Senza help you decide. You can scan any barcode in your food journal to see the nutrition facts and ask in the chat box if there are any ingredients to watch out for. Join Senza today to see how easy and enjoyable the keto lifestyle can be.